recording. Okay. So now the session is recording, guys. So we can just continue. So maybe you can check how today's market went and what I've been teaching you guys. So um so you can see, guys, so today we had this failed trade here. We had this one because we're expecting this market to go on a downtrend. You can see this one for the strategy that I showed you guys the other time. So this one was a sell trend, but the market failed. Yeah, but there's another bit. But I remember yesterday. If yesterday you were on you were in class on yesterday, I think we were learning about we were learning about liquidity trap in the market, and we said that the most important areas to look for entries is the high of Asia, low of Asia, the high of London, the low of London, and the high and low of yesterday. That is the key important thing. Up here, then I re- I remember I showed you guys like before market we move out. I remember I told you guys um, yeah, I told you about the yeah. So I told you guys, yeah. So how the market, the market makers usually trap people to enter the market. Yeah, and we looked, yes, and we looked, and I showed you the levels where we should always look for. We should always look for entries. Yeah. So we said the low of Asia, the high of Asia. Yeah, we have got so many systems to trade. We have got so many systems in which you can trade. So yesterday I was just telling you about the high and low of yesterday and the low of Asia. So like today, guys. So I was telling you about the other system which I showed you the other time. So the other system that I showed you, it was the first candle of London Open. Now, Nona, guys, it was just exactly the same. So we didn't make any mistake. The candle was red, then we're expecting a sell trend, but the market sold a little bit down, then it reverses. It's normal. That's normal. But we have, but we have the other system which I was showing you the other time, not the other time, yesterday, is to consider the low and low, the high and low vision. So you can see yesterday, today here, for the strategy of liquidity trap, or we normally call trap in the market. So for this one, for this one you can see we have the low and high and high vision. So let me sorry, let me mute let me mute Renis. Okay. So I was telling you guys like the yesterday, like every day, every day before market opens. Let's say this is the market. Every day before market opens, like how the psychology part of the market is, uh, like we usually have like we usually have the low and the high of Asia. So you can see this one is the low of the Asian market. This one is the Asian market. Okay, just a minute. That is the Asian market. Just a minute. Okay. So this one is the Asian market low, and here is the Asian market high. That's the fact. Got Mangali about it. Then we said, yeah, I think yesterday I didn't finish about it. I didn't finish explaining the high and low of Asia. Yeah, I was affected with the power yesterday, so that's why we didn't continue for the lesson. So you can see here. So I told you guys yesterday that in every session, we have two groups of people. So here we have a group of people who wants to buy, who are buyers. We have two group of people who are buyers. Yeah, our buyers or couple, they have set their entries around here. Then maybe their stop loss go around up or down, maybe on the green side here. Then we have here sellers. Then we have sellers here. Here we have sellers. Yeah. So you can see now we have buyers and sellers, two groups of people. So these two groups of people, like sellers, of course, will make a stop loss at the high of Asia. Then buyers, of course, will make a stop loss at the low of Asia. So I told you guys, like before market opens, like most of the like the banks or the market makers, they will always look for where there's volume. Like today, none of the market will behave. So okay, on volume, on a downtrend, they will come and take stop losses of people on the low of Asia, where we have a stop losses, where we have stop losses here, then walk away like this. So you can see here, like today, let's check. See how the market went. It came and took the stop losses of people at the low of Asia. And that is the fact. That is the fact how the market works. Yeah. That's why I showed you guys yesterday, and I told you guys you can look for you can come up with an idea of setting maybe a buy limit at the low of Asia or a sell limit at the high of Asia, because that's where the market reverses. See? Yeah. See this strategy? Yeah, it came and took liquidity, stop losses of people. All of them, they were gone out. See? Then it went up, taking again stop losses of sellers. So to me, like all of them, they are out in the market. All of them, they are out in the market. Naona? So hii pia ningekuwa ni entry poa. If kama ungekuwa na trade this trap, this liquidity trap. We normally call liquidity trap. You can call it Asia trap. Yeah, any name that you can call it. This one. Kwa entry yako hiyo. Haya. When you come to New York, let's check New York. So when you come to New York, you can see we had your high of London is here. And you can see here, the market was trying to take liquidity at the high of let's say you are trading maybe in New York. Let's say you are trading in New York. So you can see here, the market was trying to take liquidity of London, but it failed. It sell kidogo a little bit, then it can fail. No, no. Yeah, sometimes it fails, sometimes it goes in your favor. Yeah. So this market is just a probability, guys. It's a probability. Maybe you can check Euro USD. And also we check gold. Maybe check gold, USD, something of that sort. So I think same thing that happened today. Same thing that happened today, it happened in all the currencies. You can see here is the law of Asia. So they make sure the buyers stop losses are out in the market. Mona, well, you make sure like stop losses like what on mark. Yeah, I think the best way to me at this platform. I think the best way to me at this platform. Make sure you have the trading view. How many of you like right now they have a PC, they they have got their laptops and computers, and they have not logged in maybe trading view. Maybe I can assist you maybe tomorrow. Maybe I can assist you tomorrow. Maybe you hit me tomorrow. I guide you on how you can set your trading view. How many of you maybe you have any difficulty in setting a trading view? Maybe by thumbs up, maybe I can assist you tomorrow. Yeah, because it's good. Because for us, we are using TradingView. Yeah, Renis. Yeah, Renis. So Renis, make sure you hit me. Make sure you hit me. Tomorrow I'll guide you. Maybe after 10. So after 10, You hit me, I'll assist you to set your trading view. Yeah, yeah, because most of you maybe most of you maybe you don't have trading view and you don't know how to set maybe trading view. Yeah, so it's good. Make sure you have trading view. Trading view is it's a bit better to trade trading view. Yeah. Okay. So guys, so the best place to look for entries, we have said we have the high of Asia, we have the low of Asia, and the high and low of yesterday. So every day tutakuwa na repeat the same thing. We'll be repeating the same thing. So we'll be repeating the same thing, same routine until it burn on your mind. Yeah, until it burn on your mind. So naona kama today. See, yes. Hii ilienda poa. Hii ilienda vizuri sana. Yeah, ilienda vizuri sana. Naona every day lazima wachukue stop losses. It's a must they should take stop losses. You can see here. Same exact thing. They must take stop losses of people. Yeah, maybe we check gold. Maybe we check gold. Yeah. So guys, like every day, like let me just give you a secret. Every day, like if you really want to do forex like full time and not trading like randomly. Of course, losses ziko. Of course, loss equal, but losses just for some time. But there's a way you need to can recover losses. Yeah, by trading consistently, like by following rules. No, no. Yeah, yeah. So let's check today this market. Today market actually tulikuwa tumechora vizuri sana. Tulikuwa tumechora vizuri sana in the morning. Yeah. Like how many of you how many of you tulikuwa in the morning the meeting? Si nilikuwa nimechora this gold exactly it was like this. Then I was saying this market tuna expect reversal hapo on a trend line and the market actually respected it. Yeah. Though hata sikuangalia gold leo after that meeting. Niliingia tu like GU na yeah. Hii ilikuwa ni trade poa sana. I wish I could get this entry. Yeah. Sometimes you draw, but sometimes sometimes you draw, you get a nice entry, but you are not around to trade. Because for me this time hata sikuangi around. From ilikuwa what time? Let me check the time. Yeah, that's why for me, I love trading London Open because sometimes I see my schedule. I've got other things to do by your time, no? So that's why I trade mostly in the morning hours. Ilikuwa around 12. Ilikuwa around 12. 12 nilikuwa exit kwa screen. Yes. So ilikuwa poa, ilikuwa ni trade poa sana sana. It was a nice trade for sell. Mpaka kwa low. So unaona guys, unaona mpaka kwa low. I told you guys, lazima they should take stop losses of people. No, exactly. So hii actually ingekuwa another entry for you to buy again. See here? Yeah. Then we have said we only concentrate with the bodies. Unaona bodies. So unaona sijachora kwa week. So unaona I have not drawn kwa weeks. Like for example like this. Nimeconcentrate na bodies. On bodies because bodies is where the money is for forex. Yeah, bodies is where the money is in the forex market. Bodies is key. Yeah. So today this one is a mistrade. It was I can say okay. Martin anasema I repeat it. So I was saying like whenever you are drawing or like whenever you are setting horizontal line on the high and low of the Asia market, make sure at least you set on the bodies. So on the bodies is where the money is. No, hizi body ndo kuna capital, ndo kuna we can say capital in the forex. Unaona? So unaona bodies. Unaona vile nimeset bodies. So sijachora kwa weeks like this. Unaona? I have not drawn in the weeks here. I have just drawn on the bodies. Unaona on the bodies. So you can see on the bodies, you can see. So on the bodies here, most people they usually set stop losses around the bodies. Yeah, I think I don't know, most people, yeah, like so because that's where the money is. So these people they will come down, they come down. Even here, Even for example, this one, let me just draw it from afresh. So today we had, by the way, if you can if you can master this, you can trade gold very sana with this system. You see this one, of course, it's saying network iko poor. Yeah, is guys, are you getting me clear? How many are getting me? How many are getting me like very clear without maybe breaking? How many are getting me that clear without breaking? Okay. I think yeah. I think of course your network is not well. So maybe you can exit then you come back. Okay. Okay. So I was saying guys, guys, like for example here, let's say here. So this one is the law of is the high of Asia. Can you see this one? This is the high of Asia. Yeah. And yesterday I repeated the same thing, telling you guys. Yeah. Though this one we don't normally trade on on a trade, but I think very soon you're going to have this on a live trading on the high and low of Asia. So you can see I have marked the high of Asia. You can see where the high of Asia is and the low of Asia. You see where the low of Asia is on the bodies. So here I have not drawn the high of the weeks. You can see I've not drawn at the high of the weeks here because for the market makers they want where we have volume. Ukitaka kujua hizo you get mostly on order blocks. So on order blocks, most people they usually concentrate on the bodies, not for weeks. Yeah. Weeks usually tells you like that one is the low of the lowest point market ilifika. We normally say, oh yeah, this one is the lowest point market ilifika. But on the bodies, that's where the money is. Yeah, mark that point. Mark that point. On the bodies, that's where the money is. On the weeks, that is the lowest point market reached. So, but it can be like that's where the volume is. Yeah. So here today, so tunaona kama today you could have marked the high of the week. You could not have gotten the trade to sell. You can see here, you see market are interested on the weeks. Yeah, market makers are not interested in the weeks. The market makers are interested only on the close of the bodies. No. They are only interested with the close of the bodies. Yeah, they're only interested with the close of the bodies. Naona hapa kama sasa for example here. Naona hapa. Exactly. Wamekuja, they have taken liquidity. Naona? We normally say liquidity. In ICT is normally called break of something. I remember it's break of I don't know, structure, something of that sort. So so you can see today. So for example, because tumesema guys, we know we are concentrating with the high and low of yesterday and the low of day. Higher. Yeah. So you can see. So this one was the low of yesterday. So so the low of yesterday was a bit far. So let me just mark. Maybe you are coming to the market. Like guys, I want to show you ways in which you can trade. You can come to the market and look for levels alone. Then you walk away. Or you can set buy limit and sell limit and you walk away. So the first thing, if you're writing, maybe you can note down these points. So the first thing before 10 minutes before 10 a.m. because 10 a.m. that's when that's when the New York market or the London market opens, like 10 a.m. every day. So 10 minutes before 10 a.m. that is around 9:50 a.m. every day. Make sure you come to your trading view, you mark the low and high of, you come and mark the high and low of yesterday. See, this one is from here to here. You see this line? You see this line? This line is 24 hours. 24 hours. 24 on trading view. So from here to here is 24 hours. So what you do, like before the market opens, 10 minutes before the market opens, make sure you mark the high and low of yesterday first, because that level is very important. Those levels are very important. The market will tend to react on those levels because here pia kuna stop losses. Here pia we have stop losses here and the high and low yesterday. Kuna stop loss hapo pia. Then see we have marked the high and low yesterday. The high and low yesterday. Now we are here 10 minutes before London market opens. So what you do, you come here again and you mark the on the bodies the low and the high of Asia. No, no. You become specific in what you are looking at the market. You become specific on what you are looking at the market. You can see here again. So this one mark hivi. Let's say you have marked something like this. So now the market it does not open. So no, no. Right now the market does not open at the moment. So at the moment, the market does not open. Yeah. 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 So for example, if kama ulikuwa keen yesterday unge trade this one. Kama ungekuwa yesterday unge trade this pattern today. Yeah. But because always trade every pattern in the market, you can't trade every pattern. So let's see how the market went. So this one you have marked before the market opens. 10 minutes before market opens. That's around 9:50 a.m. I usha mark. So for you, you're just waiting for market to react. So you're waiting for the market to react this level or this level, or you see this level A here. Let me just mark it. Level A, or you're waiting for the market to react at level B. Level B. Level B is here. Or again, see, by now we don't know. By now we don't know anything. Level A, then level B. Yeah, but then ukishika this one, I now you have advanced in forex. Now utakuwa like utapata like forex umesink in. Yeah, umesink in sana. Yeah. Sana sana if you're a beginner, ukianza na this one becomes very easy because yeah, because I think most beginners ukianzanga unaanzanga na indicators, you start with indicators like moving average. But if you can start with this one, then you have gone like umeenda like advanced because now you are thinking like now you are thinking like a professional trader, like how professional trader look for the entries because for them they look where the banks are looking. Unaona sasa hivi ukiangalia sasa hivi imechora hivyo pia banks pia before market opens the banks pia wanaangalia those levels. Wanaona hey, let's check where the stop loss iko. Then I told you guys yesterday that these banks they don't trade with a strategy. For them, they don't trade with a strategy. For them, they trade with the flow of the market. Yeah, for them, they go with the volume. Yeah, if the volume is it's at a certain level, wako hapo sasa. They are looking to hunt those levels. So if the volume is on a downtrend and the low of Asia, they're looking to hunt on those levels. Yeah, to remove the stop loss. Then I told you guys, like, these people, they always make sure, like, everyone are go out. Buyers and sellers, they are out. You see here, on level A here, you can see on this level A here, on gold, si kuna mtu hapa, see, there's some people wenye wako buy hapa. Maybe you wako buy hapa. Then here, there's some people wako sell hapa. So they'll make sure what they are gone out. So you can see, let's say hapa kuna sellers wali trade hapo, wamehold it trade wanajiambia sasa now we can swing trade. Now we can swing trade. Now kuna buyers pia hapa, wamehold trade. Wanasema hey, now we can swing trade. So kuna two trades, two like two entries, two groups of people, buyers and sellers on the market. Aya, ndio market open. Let's check together. Let's check together. Boom. Ngoja. Let's see. Now market is out, has opened. See? Sorry. I don't know what's happening. Now the market has opened. See how these people they'll come and take liquidity. No. But then fine. Down. Ah. See? I don't know if you are getting the idea part of it. The idea part of it. So this one is also a way in which we can trade. Angalia pia wamekuja hapa wamechukua liquidity again. See here. So this thing, this thing, another thing, guys, which you must know about this, the marking the levels of the Asia high, Asia low, London high is this pattern. You get this pattern, you'll get this pattern like the market either repeat like every day. So not it is not like like every day market it react on this, it react like even yeah. Kuna sometimes it breaks and goes away, sometimes it can make a loss. But something that can make you to survive in the market is risk to reward ratio and taking every trade the market presents to you. See? Yeah. Because losses you can't overcome some losses. Like let me show you some of the losses yenye imetokea. Kama for example like let me show you one of the called this one I could react in any way. Oh, let me show you this one. Show you this one, guys. Let me show you this one. But this one iliappear very, very late, around 11. So this one, so you came to the screen at on 31st maybe. You marked your high. You see, you marked your high. Yeah, you marked your high and you marked your low. Your high and low. So you can see the market broke the high of yesterday. You see? This was yesterday. Then it can retest. Then mtu hapa akajambia, hey, let me buy here. Let me break out and retest. So break out and retest, it should look like this. Let me just draw it for you so that you can get to understand, guys. Let me look for the whiteboard. I'm looking for the whiteboard. Whiteboard. For the whiteboard. So we have got this structure again. So we have this structure. Let's say this one is the high and low of the day. No, guys, this one is the high and low of yesterday. So market in a range like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. So you have come to the screen. London is opening here. See, guys, London is opening here. See, now London is opening there. It has opened there. So what you do is, so here, so when the London market opens, sometimes it can break now, big candle like this. So this one hakuna trade. Iki breaking it, we just know there's a breakout. So because you are waiting for the entry upper, when the to market to react upper, then it may break. So when it breaks, you can wait for something called a retest, like this. Yeah, I think you're getting, guys. Something like this. So this one is called a breakout and retest. So where it broke up, the market might come again and retest here, then goes up again. Yeah. Same thing applies to sell, same thing applies to buy. Like this. So then is a breakout. Then sometime you'll get retest. Breakout and then goes down. So this one is called a retest. Very good entry. Sell here. Very good entry buy here. Then some other time market fails to break. Yeah, kama vile tumeona hapo for example there. Market inakuja hivyo, inakuja hivyo on the Asian market. Then it fails to break like this. Then goes up So here becomes your entry buy because trap, trap what? Yeah, same thing applies to sell. So these are pattern in which can be getting like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Then all of a sudden ikachukua liquidity ya watu hapa stop losses, then boom downtrend. So here you look for sell. Yeah. How many are getting those patterns? Maybe by thumbs up if you're getting to understand those patterns. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right, let's continue. You can see you're getting. Okay. Like this one, you can see here. Like this one, you can see here. So this one was the high of yesterday, the low of yesterday. So market will break out. So see guys, the market broke up, then it came and retest here. Then it failed. Yeah, sometimes it fails. Yeah, like that one you must understand about it. Like sometimes it fails and you can't control it. So we have again here. We have again here. So this one is the so this like this one is another way you can as a trade market to break. So this one is the high of this one was the high of yesterday. Let me just use a line. Yesterday ilikuwa hapo. Yeah. See how the market. So here we had breakout, then retest. Yeah. Can see? We have a breakout and retest. Ikiona inakuwa very clear. Naona inakaa very clear sana. Let me show you another example of breakout and retest on the structure. Maybe you can use, maybe you can check also on Asia, London. You can check. Mm. Those will, so you'll get it most of the times. Let me just check it. Breakout and retest. Let me check maybe in the currency. You can check on the currency, maybe which currency can we check? Maybe Euro USD. Euro USD. For this one, I'm trying to look for the breakout and retest so that I can show you guys. Yeah, yeah. So market ikibreak structure, lazima ifanye retest. Break structure, lazima ifanye retest. So this one, for example, this one, but this one is not a retest. This one is just a structure. So you see, this one is the low of previous day. Then market imekuja on the previous day ka react hapo ikienda. So to mean that those levels are very important. Also here, you can see here on a Euro USD. Yeah. Those levels, the high of yesterday on the bodies can react hapo. Yeah, na ikakupea kama M pattern. Unaona M pattern, it's kind of like a M pattern, then the market goes down. But I'm trying to show you, I wanted to show you for the rate breakout and retest. For the breakout and retest. Maybe I'm looking for one for breakout and retest so that you can get to understand. Yeah, so that you can get to understand breakout and retest. Maybe you can check another currency. Maybe you have checked some of the USD. Maybe you can check USD JPY. I can check USD JPY. I don't know how this currency went today. Yeah. So, but guys, these two currencies in a move different na GBPUSD. It moves different with GBPUSD. So if kama for example like if for example this one is buying, USD is selling. So inaenda opposite. So if this one today ilikuwa hivi, USD na with GBPUSD ilikuwa ina sell. So inaenda opposite. So one day sikupata maybe uko USD JPY buy and GBPUSD buy. Kuna moja like umemake mistake hapo. Yeah, kuna moja like unakwanga umemake mistake. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, this currency usually moves a lot. So you can see, like this one, we have a good example. So here we have the low of yesterday, the high of yesterday. See? So market goes up, then retest that level, then goes up. Yes, 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 yes. That is a breakout and retest. And this one is a pattern called an head and shoulder. Hey, this one, I love, like what I love about USD JPY is it usually respect, for example, like patterns. So let me just draw for you maybe then we go to the chart. Just one pattern of Euro USD over head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, sometimes you can get it from the market. So head and shoulders pattern it looks like this. So and most of the times it usually occurs at the high of Asia, at the high of yesterday. So unapata market inakuja ina form something like this. So this one is called a left shoulder. This one is called a right shoulder. Then this one is called a head. Yeah, this one is a swing trade. Yeah, most swing traders wana holding these setups. Most swing traders. Yeah, ukipata hii, so ikisha form left shoulder, you enter on the right shoulder sell. Unangoja candle ita close up and then you enter the sell. So that is called head and shoulders. Yeah, inaweza kuwa kubwa. Sometimes it's so big like this. Yes, yes, something like this. No, no. It's levels. Yeah. So you enter on the second on the second shoulder, you enter sell. Maybe we check together. Yeah, maybe we check together. See this one? I don't know if you're getting this pattern of mine. So this one was the left shoulder. No, no. Yeah, very keen to understand this thing inakuanga very easy sana. Then right shoulder. So right shoulder hapo kulikuwa na entry mbili. Ungeingia na this left shoulder au mwingine angejiambia like, oh, this one is it's not really good. Let me enter with this one. Oh, bado uko sawa. No, no. Now una swing trade. Now you swing trade. That is called head and shoulders pattern. It's just the same like W yenye nimekuwa nikiwafunza. Unaona W pattern nimekuwa nikiwafunza like this. Kind of the same. Yeah, like but it's a different pattern. See? Just a different pattern. Yes. Just kind of like a different pattern. But yeah, that's how it is. That's how it is. Hi, we have again here breakout and retest. Yeah. Yeah, breakout on the low of yesterday, then retest, then goes up again. Yeah, so this thing will get it most of the times. You'll get it like every time in the market. You'll get it most of the times in the market. Yeah, and also the high and low of yesterday, you'll get it the entries. Not like that. Yeah, walikuja wakachukua stop losses, downtrend again, then wakakuja wakaform kama M pattern, then wakaenda downtrend. Yeah, I think that is what for waiting for today. So today here walichukua liquidity au kuchukua, so hapa kuwa na trade yote ya for example entry. Yeah, unless on the sell side. Yeah, on the sell side We didn't have a trade also. So leo market imerate to on this side. Yeah, no, sasa like yeah, today like market imerange too. Then this one is kind of like a W pattern. Unaona this one? Hii ni kama W sasa kuna mtu apange chukua this trade. Market imerange on the London Open then ime close kama W. You know, see this one is a W. So this pattern you can easily get in the market. Yeah, see this one? It's a W pattern. Yeah, guys. So, guys, so I think, guys, you have every day you're learning something. So when you attend this meeting, at least every day you're learning something. Every day you're learning something. Then like the knowledge that I have, I share to you guys. You improve yourself. You try. You improve every day. Yeah. So I think we can today we're going to stop from that point. Then tomorrow we're going to continue maybe like to learn and to understand other things in the market. Yes. 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 Maybe someone has a question, guys. Is there someone with a question? Maybe before we call it a day. Yeah. Nimetry kuwa consistent sana because yeah, some other time nilikuwa busy na like other things, but yeah, I'll be consistent like with classes. Yeah, psychology because I know psychology is key. Yeah, most of the times, yeah, yeah. Like live market analysis never miss, but psychology is very important. I can't miss the psychology. Yeah, so maybe so if there's no any question, guys, let's meet tomorrow. Same time. Yeah, same time. We kill the market. Okay, guys, good night. See you tomorrow.